See, I'm a bit of a wild card, a real jack of all trades. I don't just clean trash out of the water. I'll also clean trash on the side of a road that's by the water. Real multitasker here. But doing both is important to keeping the bay clean, and just like term versus whole life insurance, each uses a different method to serve a similar purpose. Often people feel faced with the difficult choice of having to choose between term or whole life when looking for life insurance coverage. But your life insurance policy can multitask too. You see, whole life insurance and term life insurance can coexist in the same policy. This can be done on both traditional whole life and universal whole life, an attachment called a term rider. So all under the same policy will have both your permanent cash accruing coverage and your temporary term coverage for usually a much larger amount. Now, many companies allow your term riders to expire when you want it to, unlike traditional term life insurance where it either expires at an age or after a certain length of time. It gives people a little flexibility in how long they get to keep that larger coverage, with the guarantee that the permanent whole life part will always be there. Now, the amount of coverage available on your term rider can be up to 4 times the amount as your permanent coverage. So if you're $50,000 permanent plan, you can have a $200,000 term rider. $250,000 permanent plan, you could have an additional $1 million in term rider coverage. And because a good portion of your coverage is split between whole and term, you satisfy the needed death benefit for a fraction of the cost.